Good morning, my Facebook family and friends and all those watching this video. I decided to do this video to just basically create awareness to what's going on in my country, Sierra Leone. I wrote this poem in 2016 just because of the way I felt with regards to what was going on in my country. And when I read out the poem, you see exactly what I'm trying to say, what I mean. And I hope by sharing this poem to you, especially in the form of a video, it will create that drive, basically, for us to do something to change what's currently going on in our country. So I hope you'll all take your time to go through this video. And my message is simple. For those who have registered to vote in Sierra Leone, think wise, vote smart. Here we go. Mama Salone, the desire. I gaze upon the hills, sights uniquely defined. In the silence of the heart, the roars of lion I hear. Far beyond mountains, the sound of sea breeze softly caressing my ears. The wind flows by gently, uninterrupted by human stare. Ah, Mama Salone, your gentle caress I long for, the day I lay my head between your golden breast. The day I'll drink your milk pure and sweet, with no inhibition of unnecessary distraction. I long to sit between your legs to feel your gentle palm caressing my head, to gaze upon those beautiful eyes full of colors and light. This is the homeland I miss, the one I so long to see. The reality. As I gaze upon your bloodshot eyes, I gently whisper, Mama, you look so sad. You have been tossed and torn, weakened by the greed of your own flesh and blood. The plow dig deep, the scratch and scrape, bulldozing, uprooting, ignoring your pain. Their hearts have grown cold like zombies they feed, tearing up all who may dare to stand in their way. They strip you naked and parade you for gain, calling out to other nations to join in their game. You scream, you wail, you screech in pain, even when you're dried up. They squeeze the blood from your veins, sucking out the residue, feeding on the weak. Nonchalance the disposition towards their misdeeds. Hope. In your agony, you still reach out to them, hoping that one day common sense will prevail. Like any true mother, you take every blow, patiently waiting for the day they will ease the pain. The day they'll clothe and feed you, nourish you back to strength, array you in splendor to be admired by your peers. The future, Mama, the day will come when your ducks will be full of your babies running back into your warm embrace. From east to west, from north to south, they will run from nations back into Mama's arms to inhale the sweet aroma of Mama's sun-kissed skin as she bends down to envelop them with a welcoming squeeze. In that season, Mama, you will flourish like a rose, for God himself will awaken the sleeping lions in the land. Do not give up hope, Mama, for you are an emblem of hope. We patiently await the day when Mama Salone will rise again.